Welcome to spacesbox.com, michaelgouldy.com, and spacesbox.com, and YouTube Space Acer. Hi, this is Space from spacesbox.com, and today we're going to explain to you a new toy I have, and it's a Raspberry Pi Zero kit. The Raspberry Pi is pretty small. To insert the memory card, you just upside down and it goes like that. And this is the size hard drive, and this is the Pi Zero. Pi Zero is very, very tiny. You can use it for many things. I'm currently using it as an ad blocker to block out sites that have ads on it. So, and we'll walk you through that process after the next few moments in time. This is the Raspberry Pi Zero install. You go to raspberrypi.org. You go to downloads. You click on noobs. You click on noobs offline network install. Click on download zip. Click on OK and save, and it should start downloading it to your machine. Now, hi, this is how to install noobs on your Raspberry Pi Zero. You click on noobs. You click the 7-zip extract files to noobs 321. After it's extracted, you click on you select all files. You click on copy. You go to your drive that has at least 16 gigs in it, gigs free. You format it, and then you paste the files into it. We'll speed this up so we'll show you the next process of when you connect it into your, after you get everything hooked up. And just, this is a little keyboard that I've used with my Raspberry Pi Zero. You can also use a regular USB based keyboard. Whatever works for you. If you bought the kit, USB based keyboard works, or a wireless one does. If you put the adapter into the to the little box. The files, it's copying over. This is the screen that you get when you install your noobs SD card into your Raspberry Pi kit. Right now it's set with it to connect to Wi-Fi network, to my Wi-Fi network at home. If you choose not to, it will only have Raspberry and Full on it, But if you put your Wi-Fi network, you'll have a choice between putting other distros onto your Raspberry Pi. You can click on ones that you like. And then click on Install. And click on Yes. Then you get to this next screen. Don't mind the blinking screen, just it's doing the install still. Now it's completed the install. Okay, after it finishes installing all the OSs, it shows you the OK screen saying it's all completed. You click on Raspberry in full. We have Libre Effect and OCM MC as other ones. I can explain those to you if you choose, if you need me to. If you choose to do that, leave in comments. I'll explain it for you. Double click on the OS to boot. Sorry for the quality of the image. I'll try to get something to encode HDMI soon. There should be a green light on the Raspberry Pi that's still, when that's on, it's saying it's accessing its files. And it boots to desktop. When it's booted to the desktop for the very first time, you're greeted with this saying, "Welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop." Before we need to set up a few things. So you click next. You choose your keyboard layout. Actually, your country layout, and then you choose your language, and then you do your time zone. Enter a password for Raspberry Pi. The username is Pi. The password is whatever you create. Make sure you know it. Otherwise, you'll have to reflash your USB. Then you can connect to your network. You click Next. You can choose to do a software update. I choose to skip. And then we choose the setup's complete. All you have to do is to restart. Double select on Raspberry Pi Full. Double click. You should see a Raspberry Pi image, a red thing in the left corner. Then it goes to loading screen. Then the screen should blank. Next thing you'll see is a cursor for your mouse. Then a white line. Then it should look like India, I guess. And the next thing you can do is go into Preferences, Pi configuration, enable VNC and shush. It's SSH VNC and click OK. It should bring up a black screen. It says Raspberry Pi. And if IFCONIFG. IFCONFIG. And then push enter, and it should tell you the IP address of this device. And this address is 192.168.0.11. Hey, if you like this video, please click subscribe. Like it or not like it.